Hello everyone, welcome to Bake Butter and Bites. In today's video, I'm bringing a very unique and very simple modak recipe, which is very easy to make and only takes few ingredients to whip up entire recipe. Today we are making stuffed Mawa Modak. So let's begin. First we are making the stuffing. Here I have taken 1/4 cup of chopped nuts and to which I'm gonna add 1/8 cup of condensed milk, and a pinch of cardamom powder to it. Then mix it well. Now I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of coconut bura, or also known as desiccated coconut, and then give it a good mix. It should be in a binding consistency so that you can make small balls out of it. If the mixture seems little wet to you, you can add little more desiccated coconut to it. That's totally optional. Make the mixture by taking it in your palm and then try to roll it in small balls like this. To make the modak, we will take a heavy bottom pan. Now I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of ghee to it. To this I'm going to add 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom powder. As the ghee will melt, we are going to add half a cup of milk to it, few saffron strands for beautiful color in it. Once the milk comes to a little boil, we are going to add 1 cup of milk powder to it. Now we are going to add milk powder gradually and mix it well. Make sure that there are no lumps. You can see our milk powder and milk has cooked well. It has come to a mawa consistency. Now I'm going to add 1/4 cup of sugar to it and mix well. It has been cooked for around 3 to 4 minutes now. You can see still the mixture is little wet after adding the sugar. So keep stirring it and keep mixing it well. Here I am making very little quantity of it. It will yield approx 6 to 8 modaks depending on the size you are preferring. But you can increase or decrease the amount as per your requirement. If you want to make less modaks, just reduce the amount to half. If you want more modaks, you can double the amount as per your need. Let this mixture cook until it leaves the pan, and you can see a little bit ghee around this mixture. Keep the flame low. You can now see the mixture has come together entirely. You don't want to overcook it because it has milk powder in it. You don't want to burn it. So at this stage, when you can see all the mixture is coming together, you have to turn off the gas. And take it out in another bowl. Let this mixture cool a little bit. You don't want to cool it down completely because otherwise it will be difficult to mold the modaks out of it. You just want to cool it a little bit until you can touch it and work with it. You can see mixture is cooled a little bit. It's been 3 to 4 minutes, but mixture is still warm. You touch it, and if you are able to work with it, it's fine. If it is still hot, give it 2 or 3 more minutes, but don't let it cool completely. To make the modak, first we'll make the balls out of this filling. To make the modak, grease your hands with ghee take a little portion of this mawa and make sure to smoothen it out between your palms like this. There should be no cracks into this. Now just roll it out a little bit as a puri and then place this filling inside it and then cover it. Once it is formed in a nice bowl shape, what you're gonna do, you're gonna pinch it towards upward and give it a little dome shape, and then press it towards your palm. With the help of fork, what you're gonna do, you can make these impressions around the modak like this, and again give it a final shape like this. You can see how beautiful this modak has turned out to be. So we have made this delicious, super soft, super amazing Mawa Modak without any mold. No need of mawa, no need to make sugar syrup. You can see how perfectly it has turned out to be. To make it more presentable, you can even sprinkle some nuts on top of it, or you can put some Kesar strand on top of it like I'm doing here. This Ganpati Mahotsav, make this modak, guys. These are amazing and you can prepare it in no time. Like, it takes only 5 to 10 minutes of your time to make this delicious modak. So make it at home, enjoy with your friends and family. Thank you for watching. Until next video, stay happy, stay safe.